Hank Green, the YouTuber and co-founder of educational media company Complexly, seems to be in a hot soup. He in fact has admitted his relationship with AI chatbots has become, in his words, not healthy. And it comes after fans caught him seemingly reading a ChatGPT sounding line straight off his own script. Now, before we get into what actually happened into the story, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. With that, let's get right into it. Now, this happened on July 30th when Complexly uploaded an Ask Hank Anything episode featuring creator Soupy Time, and in a recurring segment, Green said the line, and I quote, "I appreciate the pushback," a phrase viewers instantly recognized as a stock chatbot response. Green first responded on X, since deleted, insisting that the line itself was an ad-lib, but admitted that he did use ChatGPT for research on the script and had been relying too heavily on generated notes, which is a bad habit at a time he'd overcommitted himself. The next day on Reddit, Green went further, saying he was absolutely mortified to have let his audience down. He maintained that ChatGPT was only used to locate paper and source material and not to shape his opinions, but conceded that it was fair to call the habit diluting. He described the dopamine hit from constantly turning to AI as not healthy for him or good for the world, and said that it had disconnected him from how people actually feel about technology. He'll now pause or slow output across several channels, leaning towards unscripted or fully handwritten videos instead. The irony, honestly, here is hard to miss, because just 2 months earlier, Green had put out a video warning about AI's effect on educational content, and Complexly had recently converted to a non-profit on a promise of trustworthy work. He's not the first creator caught by an AI's tell slipping into script, and the pattern here is familiar. Less about people being anti-AI, more about a stock chatbot phrase surviving into a finished and monetized video. Here, of course, ladies and gentlemen, is the front page take on it. And I would like to start with a question here. When what breaks trust isn't the drafting itself, but nobody catching the phrasing before it airs, is the fix better editing or a harder line on using AI in front of an audience at all? Let us know what you think in the comments below. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by AIM Network. Like, share, and subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AI.